Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to create CAPCOM ID. You need to go to this URL cad.capcom.com. This URL I will be providing in the descriptions. You can take it. Once you enter the URL, right, you can see this option sign up or login. I'm going to create the account, so I need to click sign up. So here, right, I need to choose the country. If you are in United States, you can choose that. Choose your country and giving yes. Now I need to set the email ID and password. Email ID and password has been given. Clicking this provisional registration. Super cool. Provisional registration has been completed. You have completed the first step of the CAPCOM ID registration process. Your verification email has been sent to email ID. So I need to verify that. I checked my email. I have received verification email. So I'm going to click on that. CAPCOM ID account registration. So verification is completed. Please continue to enter your user information. Go to the user information entry screen. Clicking it. Fill this form with your nickname and then click on continue. Super cool. Now I need to agree the terms and conditions. Agree, confirm. If you have any existing CAPCOM account, you need to transfer that. Just I have created the account creation for CAPCOM. So that's it. Now going back. If you successfully created your CAPCOM account, you would have received email also. Your CAPCOM ID has been registered. You can click the link and you can verify your account information. So this is my information. So here you can link your CAPCOM account. So here, you can link your CAPCOM account. Okay. Here you can link your CAPCOM. You can link your console account here as well. So if you have PlayStation Network, Xbox Live, Steam, you can directly link here. That's it, friends. This is the way you can create CAPCOM ID for your games. Example, Resident Evil. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my uniforms. Thank you. Bye, friends, and take care.